Got a glass top stove? Then you're gonna wanna watch this video to see how you can easily clean it up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So, do you have a glass stove top cooktop? I don't know about you, this is the first time I've ever had one in my home and I can't stand it. I've got a few tips in order to get this bad boy cleaned, keep it clean, so when you have guests come visit you and want to venture into the kitchen, they're not looking at a messy stovetop. So the first thing you want to do is remove anything that's on the stovetop and make sure that everything is in the off position. Now before you really do anything to the surface, you want to make sure the cooktop is cooled down enough. So I'm going to put a little soap in this hot water. Take my soapy water mixture and I'm just going to clean down the surface, going back and forth to just get any of the initial stuff off of the stovetop. You see the ring around this? So this is where spills have happened throughout the week. And so I'm just going to put some baking soda around this. So you're gonna take the white vinegar, pour it on the baking soda to make kind of this white paste. And this is what's gonna activate your baking soda too. Okay, next what you could do is just kind of rub it in here. I'm using just a plain old paper towel to kind of rub it in. Again, doing light circles around the areas that are problematic. And this is a natural way to get your stovetop clean. So again, I'm taking paper towels. If you have some old rags that you want to use, you could do that too. And all I'm doing is putting it in the soapy water, warm water, and then placing it on top of the surface. And this again is going to just activate everything. Now you're going to keep this on for about 15 minutes. If for some reason you have a lot of gunk buildup on your stovetop, you can keep it on for longer. Grab your garbage can because all of this stuff is going to go right in the trash. And you want to just kind of, again, soak it all up. You can use this to kind of wipe it up a little bit. I could see that there's still a hard spot here that didn't come out with that. And so I would recommend getting a cooktop cleaner. And what you're gonna do is just put a little bit on and just kind of like let it sit there for a minute. You can also use a cooktop scraper if you want to try and get this off. But I'm just gonna use this sponge right here. And then I'm just going to use my regular sponge. And you can see that the spot is gone. Final step here is taking your microfiber cloth and we're just going to wipe down the entire surface for a nice clean shine. Another way you can get this shine is by using Windex, and that's what I like to do to kind of keep my surfaces clean. This is a glass top, so Windex does apply to this, and it also makes it very shiny as well. If you don't want to use a product like this, again, just use your microfiber cloth. So I'm going to go around the edges really good, and then again, back and forth, and look at this glass top shine like new. And there you have it, a few easy ways that you can clean your glass stovetop either naturally or using some of the products that are on the market today. For more spring cleaning tips, make sure you go check out this video next. And for all of our home tips, you can check us out at www.ToriToth.com. Until next time, happy cleaning.